Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we will be going to see how to create campaign records in Salesforce and what are those configurations needed to enable the campaign record creation in Salesforce, and finally we will be going to see what are those campaign members, how to set up campaign members in order to send targeted campaigns for the particular user list, and we are finally will be going to see how to assign a particular campaign record to an opportunity record, right? So first of all, what is campaign? Like, think of a campaign in Salesforce as a digital folder or a bucket used to track a specific marketing effort, right? So whenever your business spends time, money or energy trying to get people's attention, you create a campaign to see what you spent and what you got in return, right? So currently I am in the campaign user interface, and I am so in here we are seeing different campaign records already available in my org. Like, these are the active campaign records, but in here we don't see the new button so that we can create a campaign record. We are not seeing that new button, right? So in order to get the new button, we just need to enable few configurations. So in here I'll just go back to my user, and in here we can see that this marketing user checkbox is unchecked. So this simply we just need to enable the checkbox to true in order to create campaign records, right? So I have just enabled the marketing user checkbox to true. Then I'll just go to the campaign records and I'll just simply refresh the page, and we can see the new button is now available. So I just click on this new button and we can just create a new campaign record. For example, I'll just provide the campaign name as demo campaign, and campaign, we can just activate the campaign. We can just active the campaign, and in here we can just choose the type of the campaign. For example, I'm just going to select the email as a type for the campaign, and what is the status of the campaign, we can choose like planned, in progress, completed, aborted. We can just choose like in progress, and start date, end dates as the day name suggests, like what is the start date of the campaign. For example, I am choosing today's date, and end date could be like somewhere in this next month. And what is the expected revenue in the campaign, budget cost in the campaign. So this all information we'll be getting from our marketing team. As you know, means you already are aware of what are those budget cost is involved for the campaign to be created. So right, so for example, I am just providing $10,000 as expected revenue for the campaign, and budget, for example, $500, and we can just provide the actual cost in the campaign, what is the expected response percentage. So all this information, number of sent in campaigns, what are those means how many email items or how many campaign we have targeted to the audience, those number we can just mention in here. We can assign a parent campaign as well for this campaign record, right? So we can just select any existing campaign records to be assigned as a parent campaign record, right? So we can just provide a simple descriptions as well to in order to provide a enhanced overview of the campaign, right? So after providing all this information, we could just simply save the campaign record, and in the details we could see different attributes or different fields are there, right? So in here we can see that leads in the campaign, converted leads in campaign, contacts in campaign, responses in campaign, opportunities in campaign, own opportunities, value opportunities in campaign, value own opportunities campaign, right? So based on the opportunity assignments, we could get these fields will be updated, right? So if I just show you the related list, we can see the campaign history as well. We can attach any files as well. So currently there are no opportunity is being assigned for these campaign records, and there is no campaign members as well. We can just simply add campaign members. We can import leads or contacts as well. We can just click on this. By clicking on this add leads or add contacts, we can add those contact records as a campaign member, so that we can directly send them mail using these send email options, right? There is a out of the box send email options is as well. So audience is the campaign members, right? So this is the list of people you are targeting in Salesforce. These are the like your leads, potential customer or contacts or any existing customer, and the money and the money is which is involved with the opportunities, right? So opportunities tracks the actual sales and deals what happened because of that specific marketing effort, that is the campaign, right? So for example, currently we are seeing no opportunities is being assigned, right? So as of now, what we have seen, like how to enable the campaign creation in Salesforce, we have just assigned the marketing user permission for our user, and we can just create a campaign record successfully. And now we are going to see how to assign a particular campaign record for an opportunity record, right? So I'll just go to the opportunity record, and for example, I'm just go to the all opportunity. For example, let me just choose this opportunity, and in here I'll just go to the details, and in here we should see this primary campaign source, right? So I'll just edit the field, and in here I'll just search for my campaign, for example demo campaign. So I'll just choose the campaign. So I'll, after choosing, I can just simply save, and we can see uh, what is the amount involved for this opportunity. $15,000, right? So now I'll just go back to my campaign record, and I'll just refresh the page, and we could see that this opportunity is being assigned for this opportunity for this campaign record. And now since the amount involved of the opportunity is $15,000, so from the details of the campaign we could see opportunities in campaign is 1, and value opportunities in campaign is $15,000, right? So this is the information will be updated accordingly whenever a new opportunity is being assigned for the opportunity in for this campaign record, right? So so that's all for campaign records. Means today we have learned about how to enable the campaign creation in Salesforce. We have created a campaign record, then finally we have assigned an opportunity record to the campaign, and finally we can see the campaign members. As I mentioned, campaign members are nothing but the list of the people you are targeting. You can just simply add contacts as well. For example, I am just choosing a contact record. For example, let me just choose these two contact records, Arthur Song and Amanda Lewis. Let me just, after selecting these two contacts, I can just select next, and we can select like what is the campaign and member status. For example, sent or responded, or update existing campaign members, keep the member status, or override the member status. These are the two options available. I can just choose the keep member status, and I'll just submit, right? So after submitting, we can see that under this campaign members, these two contact records is being assigned, right? So that's all for today's demo. Hope it is helpful to you. In the next session we'll be talk about different use cases on campaigns as well, and please stay tuned. I'll be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce Omni Studio Data Cloud topic as well as Agentforce topics, so please stay tuned. And if you like this video, please do consider to take membership into my channel. That will motivate me to create more technical videos for you. So that's all for today's demo. Thanks for watching.